Today you're going to find out what's the left and right side of your vehicle, your engine compartment, and your engine. When you're sitting on the vehicle the same way as your right and left side. This is your right side, this is your left side. As you're looking forward. When you're looking straight at the vehicle from the back, this is your right side, that's your left side. When you're looking at the vehicle from the front, this is your left side, and that's your right side. Now on your engine compartment, it's the same way. If you're facing the vehicle, that's going to be your right side, this is going to be your left side. On the engine, the first thing you want to do is find the front and back of the engine. Where the pulleys are, look for the crankshaft pulley, and then look for the transmission. Where the transmission bolts to the engine, that's the rear of the engine. Now where the crankshaft pulley is facing the front of the engine, that's going to be your left side. That's going to be your right side. And if you go where the transmission is facing the back of the engine, that's going to be your right side, that's going to be your left side.